Now we have to prove the given identity, that is sin a plus cos a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square, that is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. This is a question that I have taken from the exercise 8.4 chapter Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10th NCERT. So as we all know that when we need to prove the these such type of questions, what we have to do, first of all we have to take the left hand side. Yes, and we will do all the operations that are required, and we will equate with the right hand sides. So taking LHS, that means left hand side, sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. Yes, here we are going to use the few identities that we know, that here the whole square is there. So first of all we will use a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You all know that. Yes, and we know that cosec a is equal to 1 upon sin a. Okay, sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a. So we are going to use these three. So first of all we will apply this identity, that is a plus b whole square. So we will get sin square a, sin a square, sin square a, it is same, plus cosec square a plus 2ab means 2 sin a into cosec a plus cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Yes, now we are arranging this sin square a plus cos square, sin square a plus cos square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a, we are writing 1 upon sin a. Yes, plus cos square a already we have written nearby this sin square a. Why I have arranged like this? Because here also we will use the identity that we know that sin square a plus cos square a or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sec square a plus 2 cos a, and instead of sec a we know that 1 upon cos a. So what we can get, sin a will cancel out with sin a, cos a will cancel out with cos a. Yes, so one more identity that we are going to use here, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, now we have instead of this what we are going to write, 1 plus cosec square a plus 2, since sin a is cancelled out by sin a, plus sec square a plus again 2. Yes, cos a is cancelled with cos a. Now 2 plus 2 4 plus 1, that is 5 plus cosec square a plus sec square a. Yes, but if we see the question, we need here 7 plus tan square a and cot square a. But now we have 5 plus cosec square a and sec square a. Means we need to change these into a tan and cot. In the form of tan and cot we need here. So again we will recall few important identities, that 3 identities that are very important. So we know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, 1 plus tan square theta, whatever you want to say, because these are representing only the angle. Yes, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So instead of cosec square a and sec square a, we are going to use these identities. So you can see how identities are very important. So you need to learn it by heart. I hope it is clear. So we can write 5 plus, instead of cosec square a, we are going to write 1 plus cot square a plus sec square a. Instead of sec square a, we are going to write Now I hope it is clear. 1 plus 10 square. Clear? Now 5 plus 1 that is equal to 7. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, and 10 square a plus cot square a, and we have got the result, that is equal to right hand side, hence proved. See that we need to prove, that is 7 plus 10 square a plus cot square a. I hope I am clear. So learn the identities that are very, very important. Thank you, students.